Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change mobile ringtone on Poco phone. Friends, we want to change your phone ringtone. So by how to change phone ringtone on Poco mobile in this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to change phone ringtone on Poco phone. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see Poco phone by bypass Bluetooth settings. So guys, scroll it. Sound and vibration setting guys, we will click. So guys, tap here sound and vibration. Friends, you can see guys your adjust volume. So friends, you can adjust your volume, media volume, right side guys, you want to increase, you can increase. Ringtone guys, you want to increase sound, alarm sound guys, you can increase, decrease from here guys. So guys, we will click on phone ringtone. After click on ringtone guys, you want more ringtone guys, click on all ringtone setting, and guys ringtone setting we will click here. So friends, you can see guys your system ringtone. So which ringtone guys you like guys, you can select and you can change. Then there are many types of ringtone. So we will change it to guys Poco ringtone guys. Tap here and guys your Poco ringtone will change. And once you want to change and guys you want to set your phone custom ringtone. So with custom ringtone guys you can set from here guys. Open your guys your music and guys on guys your file manager, and guys you can set guys your custom ringtone from here. Which ringtone guys you have download. Guys you want to set your download ringtone. So friends, you can set your download ringtone also. Select which ringtone guys you want to set and you can set. And friends, you want to set guys online ringtone, so you will have to on guys your mobile network and guys connect Wi-Fi, so you can set your online ringtone also. So guys, we change ringtone onto Poco phone. Friends, you can see ringtone has changed, and guys you can increase your volume from here, you can decrease from here guys. So like that guys, we can change ringtone on Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.